Hey, good morning, students. Today we are going to start of the chapter first. Chapter first is Introduction to Data Structure. As you can see that data structure is a way of collection and organizing data in such a way that we can perform operation on these data in an effective way. It means the collection of data and organizing them in a way that the particular person or organization can use the data in effective way. The data structure is about to rendering data elements in term of some relationship. It means data takes show the relationship between interrelated data for both better organization and storage. To perform the better performance of the organization and storage, we are using data structure. The student data structure is a logical and mathematical view of any organization's data. That you always learn the definition of data structure. Means the question arises that what is data structure? The real answer of the question is that data structure is a logical and mathematical view of any organization's data. One example is here. What is really data structure is we have data about a player and the player name is Virat and his age is 26. Here Virat is a string data type because name है characters हैं और characters string में आते हैं. Then 26 is the integer data type value. So we can organize this data as a record like player record. Now we can collect and store players records in a file, then file to database and database to data structure. Again the new example is here. For example, Dhoni, the name 30 is the age, then Gambhir is the name and 31 is the age, then Sehwag and then 33. So this is the definition of data structure. I'm again repeating this definition of data structure. Data structure is a logical and mathematical view of any organized data. Now, the classifications of data structure. Classifications of data structure, we are having two type of classification about a data structure. One is simple data structure and second is compound data structure. Here you hear data structure has two main types. First one is simple data structure and second one is compound data structure. Now the simple data structure has the branches and compound data structure has the branches. So here we are having the complete diagram. Simple data structure has two parts. One is array and second is structure. And compound data structure has again two parts, linear and non-linear. Array is the collection of similar data types and structure is the collection of dissimilar data types. Either compound means mixed. So here linear and non-linear. Linear means in a single way, or non-linear means there is no way we can collect our data in any way. So in the linear we are having a stack, queue and linked list. Stack, queue and linked list. Stack means one side you will give input, from that side you will take output. So first in, last in, first out technique. Then queue first in, first out technique. Queue means a row. And the linked list, every list are connected to the list. Now in compound data structure we are having non-linear data types. In non-linear data type means here we are having tree, and tree means that has no any fixed branching of data structure. We can use in any way of the data structure. So you can understand about this structure, the complete data structure. Okay, so data structure, it has two parts, simple data structure, compound data structure. Then in simple we are having array and structure. In compound data structure we are having linear and non-linear. In linear we are having again three, One is stack, second is queue, third is list, and non-linear we are having tree and graph.